I'm HVAC repair guy. I've spent over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor. I have a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we're taking a look at two premium central air conditioning options to help you decide which system fits your home. The Luxaire AL19 and the Della Ducted Central AC 17, SEER2. Both models feature slotted panel construction to protect the coil assembly. Both units come equipped with a factory-installed compressor, sound blanket to dampen vibration and lower operational noise. The Luxaire AL19 delivers a higher efficiency rating at 18.2 SEER compared to the Della's 17.0 SEER. That gives you slightly lower electricity usage during peak cooling months. The Della operates noticeably quieter at 58 decibels compared to the Luxaire's 67 decibels. That 9 decibel difference is noticeable if your condenser sits right outside a bedroom window or outdoor patio. Both feature a 2-speed compressor paired with a 2-speed condenser fan to drop to a lower capacity stage during milder weather. That helps with better humidity control and steadier cooling. Luxaire was formerly part of Johnson Controls and was acquired by Bosch Home Comfort. The Della Ducted Central AC 17 SEER2 is manufactured in China. A complete professional installation for the Luxaire AL19 typically ranges between $4,800 and $9,200 depending on tonnage and local labor rates. The Della equipment runs roughly $2,600 to $4,600 for the hardware, with full installed costs generally between $5,000 and $8,000. Warranty coverage is where these two split dramatically. Luxaire offers a 10-year parts warranty and a lifetime warranty on the compressor, but does not offer unit replacement coverage. Della provides a 1-year parts warranty and a 1-year compressor warranty with no unit replacement coverage. My recommendation comes down to long-term reliability and manufacturer backing. The clear winner here is the Luxaire AL19. While the Della is quieter, a 1-year warranty on a major central HVAC investment is too much of a risk for a homeowner. Luxaire gives you higher efficiency and backs the compressor for life.